yeah, we will see what the day brings us. Let's go and have a look, take the rifles with. If there's opportunity, we are ready. Okay. Can I get your rifle? We just see what they do. If they come down here, we're gonna have a nice close shot.
Wait here.
And if not, if they go bed down, we can walk in. Slowly. So he's standing right behind this bush, about 70 meters. But there's other buffalo in front of him, so we just wait until they open up, and then we decide. But you can't see.
There is one behind the bush.
Yeah, this side. Not, there's a group to the right, and then there's a couple to the left. If you come this side, let's go low to this bush here. Slowly get up. Martin. He's the one at the back by the tree. There's one lying down.
Okay.
He's behind. When you're ready, you can shoot him. All right. Take your time. Wait, there's one in front of him now. wait. Okay, wait for him to stop. Then nice and broadside. Just a moment. Okay, on your time. Okay, be ready. Well done. Okay, reload. Well done.
Yes.
Well done, sir.
Thank you so much.
That's good shooting.
Thank you. Oh.
Well done.
Feeling too much?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
I feel, I don't know now in the moment, but good. And I think Tuan could be proud of me.
He's going to be proud of you. Well done. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
This is you. Look at that buffalo, eh? Look at all the character on this face. He's an old fighter. Broomed off tips. That's also fighting marks. And
Very nice and very big animal.
so yeah, Thomas, we started this morning. We got to a couple of bulls and we approached and didn't see anything that was good enough, so we passed on them. And in the end, we got up to this group. The old sucker was in that group, and yeah, you did an excellent job.
Thank you.
Do you tell us more about your experience?
I'm so happy. I shoot this nice buffalo. We saw also the black rhino near us, and when I start aiming on the buffalo, I forget the black rhino is behind us, and I just concentrate on the good shoot, and I'm so happy. And the feeling, it's still on the way, and maybe I recognize tomorrow morning.
Yeah, so and then at the back you can see this white rhino. They're coming up to us, having a look. They're quite curious. This is what conservation do to preserve these animals for the future.